What are we making today?
We are making baklava.
Ooh, I love baklava.
Do you see some other things around here, though, that
Yes,
don't really
I'm confused. How come my baklava has vegetables in it?
Because we're making a savory baklava.
Ooh.
Sweet and savory.
I'm a sweet and savory type of person.
Yeah. We have a lot of fresh mint, lemon, of course, zucchini. And then we have the typical baklava ingredients, so ground nuts. We have walnuts today and almonds, ricotta, pecorino romano. So this is a sheep's milk cheese, goat's milk cheese, and oil-cured olives. So we've got this salty, this earthy, this sweet. We're going to hit all the senses today. So we have phyllo, right? And this is just a thin layer of straight up dough.
Just one.
No fat. Now, it is paper thin, so I like to buy it because it's hard. This is thinner than pasta dough.
Yeah, and I don't know. I don't have time to make this on my own.
The most important thing is to make sure that you keep your phyllo while you're working with it covered with a damp towel. Vegetables and vitamins, minerals, better for digestion. Like, I don't know, the benefits are endless, and I like to eat as many vegetables as I can, and it crowds out bad behavior. And then it makes my ice cream absolutely delicious. How's that going?
Great. It looks creamy and delicious already.
If you put a little, we want it really creamy.
Okay.
And I'm going to grade you. Oh, it's nice. Okay.
I mean, I could already just have
Eat
this
it.
for lunch.
Yeah. Well, that'd be great smeared on some toast. But
Yeah.
instead, we're going to use phyllo today. I'm going to give you some spice for the mixture.
Oh,
I'm going to
good.
take the seeds out of this jalapeno. I like a little spice. You like spice?
I do, of course.
Of course you do. You like things as spicy as you can get them.
Yeah, absolutely.
You are spicy.
I like full on everything.
And then we want to add some salt. Have you ever had oil-cured olives?
Yes. And I think it's kind of an intriguing flavor when combined with everything else going on here.
Yes.
I mean, this is about to just be amazing. This is like a better trail mix.
A better trail mix? I would love to see you. Like, what is your trail mix, Leiti? You're like, oh, I have some oil-cured olives, some walnuts.
Yeah. How did you come up with this?
Well, I don't know what goes on in my mind. I would not be surprised if this was in my next book. And then you're a part of the story.
Yeah.
We need the honey. We're going to drizzle the honey. So what I'm going to do is just warm it up a little bit back here. So we have our sheet, all right? We're going to brush our sheet with some olive oil. This is our fat. And that will help separate the layers. Drop it right over. That's it.
Okay.
We're just going to we don't want to tear it.
Okay.
If it tears, we will survive because we're going to do a few layers.
Okay.
Do you grab the honey behind you?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
I love that this is the first time you're making this.
I'm pretty sure it will be good. Okay, so we have fresh herbs, mint. Let's do some lemon zest. You want to do it thin layer, and it's sturdy, right? So I always call it being gentle yet deliberate.
That's how I think of my leadership style.
I like that. Okay. And then we're going to do another layer of the phyllo.
Great.
We're going to do this layer here. This is going to be a very packed. So see, I'm kind of pressing it down now.
Let me see how that feels.
How's that?
Oh wow, it's like we created our own Tempur-Pedic bed of cheese and zucchini. The spice is really subtle.
That's
it kind
good.
of pricks. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is so balanced.
What about the salty olive? Did you taste it?
The olive is perfect because it is. Is there another word for licorice?
Anise.
It's got that anise aroma without being overpowering. Like this bite was the perfect bite.
We're gonna do some pecorino on top before we bake it. A good heavy drizzle of olive oil, so it gets a cheese crust. The rule with baklava, you don't want it to be dry,
Okay.
right? You don't want it to be soggy.
I don't really want anything to be dry.
No, dry is sad.
Yeah. Mostly I'm a moist food lover, and I think the word moist makes people a little uncomfortable for some reason.
It just made me go like this.
Yeah. But I'm
I was like,
introducing...
don't react.
But let us help to introduce the word moist into...
It's an essential characteristic of good food.
Yes.
What is more delicious than pecorino romano than cracked pepper with it? I was just trying to cut a spoon.
It's like a little bed skirt.
Yeah. The crispy bits are always delicious.
Delicious bed skirt.
All right. I'm gonna go right in here.
We are a complete, baked, hot,
Savory.
savory, sweet zucchini baklava for the first time ever. This is like eating dessert without really eating dessert.
Bon appetit.
Mmm. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Here we have it. Our first time making a zucchini sweet savory baklava. I'm Leiti Sue.
I'm Katzie Hamilton. I'm happy.